we don't, turn the cash that we make from wholesaling and reinvest it into some sort of real estate investment. So when I learned, I was like, hey, there's more money to be made in the wholesale side. So that's when I left being an agent, got into the flipping side, then wholesale.
Right.
For you, what did you do before you got into wholesaling land?
I was actually doing timeshare resales. So people that bought timeshare and they didn't want it no more, I would help them sell it and find a buyer. But it was a commission-based job too. So I kind of had that mindset of you have to hunt to be able to eat, because it's not just an hourly rate. You're able to make more if you're able to close more deals. But yeah, I was doing that for about a year or so. And then once I started reading the right books and getting around the right people, I just felt like there was different opportunities, and I just was led down this rabbit hole that I'm grateful for, because it's been a journey, but it's you just got to enjoy it.